Good day, dear employers in Hong Kong. My name is Emily Namores. I am 46, single. We are 8 in the family. I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters, and I am the youngest. I am a college graduate. I finished Bachelor of Science in Development Communication. I have experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong and in Singapore. My primary job was to look after kids below 7 years old. It was my responsibility to prepare and give them healthy food on time as well as snacks in between. I also help them with the school work. I also teach them on proper hygiene, play with them, bring them to the park with the employer's consent, and help them with bedtime routine. It was my responsibility also to do household chores like vacuuming, mopping, doing the laundry, ironing, pet care, as well as marketing, cooking, car cleaning. My dear employers, if you choose me as your helper, I will be gladly to work with you and your family with perseverance, honesty, dignity, and virtue. Thank you so much.